Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm gonna share a very simple and easy garlic chicken gravy recipe. So let's get started. First of all, we will heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll add 2-3 black cardamoms, 2-3 green cardamoms, a small stick of cinnamon and 2-3 cloves. A tablespoon of garlic goes in, and now 1 tablespoon of ginger I've added. We will saute them nicely. Now my ginger and garlic has become nicely brown. I'm going to add 4 finely chopped onions. We need to keep stirring and cook them on low flame to ensure that they are evenly cooked. Now the onions are golden brown and they are at the stage when we can add in our tomatoes. I have taken about 6 tomatoes here. They are very finely chopped tomatoes. Now after about 1 minute, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of special garam masala. Now I'm going to cover the masala and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes or till it's done nicely. Now can you see the oil has separated nicely and our masala is done. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of degi mirch, a tablespoon of desi ghee into it, mix it well. Now I'm adding chicken to the masala. I've taken about 700 grams of chicken. I have increased the flame now. So we are going to cook it for about 2-3 minutes. Now we will cover and cook it on low flame till it's done. It should take about 20 to 25 minutes. I just wanted to show you that we had not added any water in the chicken, and this water is what chicken has released. So we don't need to add any water. So I just wanted to show you that it has enough of water to cook in. Our chicken is going to take another 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare a paste. So I've taken a katori of curd. Into this, I'm going to add about a handful of coriander leaves, 5 to 7 green chilies, garlic cloves, and we will grind it in the mixie. Now another 5 minutes we've been cooking it. So in total it took about 20 minutes. So I'm going to increase the flame and cook it for another 1 minute. Now the oil has separated very nicely, and I'm going to lower the flame and going to add the curd mixture that we had prepared with garlic, coriander leaves and green chilies. We give it a mix. And now we will cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. Now it's been cooking for 10 minutes and I'm going to squeeze half a lemon into it. Add 2-3 green chilies. Give it a mix. Now I'll switch off the gas and dish out the chicken. If you like my recipe, do try it out and give your feedback. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and God bless.